Hi slime adventurers, and welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited because today we are making super sparkly, super squishy, super fun glitter slime. Woohoo! Are you ready to get messy and make some magic? Alright, for our dazzling glitter slime, you'll need a few simple things. First, some clear or white school glue. This is important. Next, some baking soda, just a little bit. Then, our magic ingredient, contact lens solution. Make sure it has boric acid in it. And of course, tons of glitter. Any color you like. You'll also need a bowl and a spoon for mixing. Don't forget a grown-up to help. Okay, let's start. First, pour 1 whole bottle of school glue into your mixing bowl. All of it. This is going to be the base of our awesome slime. Wow, look at that waterfall of glue. Next, we're going to add our baking soda. Just half a teaspoon. Sprinkle it right into the glue. Now, take your spoon and stir, stir, stir. Mix it really well until the baking soda is all mixed into the glue. No lumps. Now for the fun part, glitter. I'm going to add some super shiny blue glitter and maybe a little bit of purple. Pour in as much as you like. The more glitter, the sparklier it will be. Give it another good stir. Look at it sparkle already. Okay team, here's where the magic really happens. Slowly add about 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Add a little at a time and stir. You'll start to see it getting thicker and pulling away from the sides of the bowl. Keep stirring. If it's still too sticky, add just a tiny bit more contact solution, drop by drop. When your slime gets hard to stir, it's time to use your hands. Careful, it might still be a little sticky. Take it out of the bowl and start kneading it, just like dough. Pull it, stretch it, squish it. The more you knead, the less sticky it will become. Wow, look at how sparkly it is. Look at our amazing sparkle slime. It's super stretchy, super squishy, and so sparkly. You did it! Now you have your very own homemade glitter slime to play with. You can stretch it, poke it, and even make little slime bubbles. If you loved making this, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any fun. Thanks for crafting with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.